Why do we celebrate Independence Day and why do we celebrate Republic Day? The difference.
See, the difference is 1953. I am not sure about this actually. 1947, August 15th, we got this, independence from Britishers.
Yes.
So after 3-4 years, I cannot calculate. I'm very poor in maths.
That's fine. I'm poor
1953.
in maths.
1953 is a year our constituency, got involved, and we got our own, constituency.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So Dr. B.R. Ambedkar did a very good job. So that's why we celebrate Republic Day.
Yes.
1940, everyone knows.
Yeah.
Okay.
Independence Day.
Independence Day, it's basically we got freedom from other countries, like British countries, right? So that is the most important thing for us.
And Republic Day.
Republic Day, it's basically I don't know. Formation Day.
Formation of what?
Oh, country formation.
Yeah. Independence Day is for freedom fighters. So actually, at that day we got
Our
freedom
and
our
for the
Independence Day. And
Republic
Republic Day is Rajyangam.
Republic Day because that day I think we got our constitution got framed on 26th of January, and Independence Day is for
Because
freedom.
we got our
Freedom on
independence.
that.
इंडिपेंडेंस डे जिस समय हमें स्वाधीनता मिली थी, रिपब्लिक डे जिस समय हमें अपना संविधान मिला।
Constitution of India.
Independence Day is on August 15th and Republic Day is on Jan 26th.
Independence Day is celebrated because we actually got independence from British that day, and Republic Day is celebrated because our constitution got framed and it came into picture. Oh, I told you that. That is, she knows.
We got our constitution came into force on 26th of January. So that's why we celebrate Republic Day.
The national animal of India.
Tiger.
Lion.
As far as I know, I mean, it's lion, but I don't know whether I'm correct.
Tiger.
Yeah, it's tiger. It's the national bird of India.
Peacock.
Peacock is the answer. What is the national anthem of India? And written by? Our national anthem is written by?
Rabindranath Tagore.
Rabindranath Singh Tagore.
Rabindranath Singh Tagore. Our national song is?
Janagana Mana.
Is it Sarada?
I'm not going to answer.
I just forgot that.
Vande Mataram is the national song. Who designed the national flag?
Venkaya.
Who has designed?
He's from AP.
Come on, then you should be answering it.
Shit, this is not helping.
His grandson was my boss in AMSAR.
Pingali Venkaya is the answer.
It's good.
National curry of India?
Curry? Seriously?
Sambar?
No.
National curry of India. Is it? Is it there?
Curry. Must be something like paratha or jalebi or beja fry.
Beja fry.
Bendi. Okra? Ladies say? No.
Biryani.
If it is there, then it will be a korma.
So there's nothing as such as national curry of India. I'm just playing around. National vegetable?
Vegetable? Potato.
Vegetable?
Yeah. A national vegetable?
Potato.
There's nothing as such as national.
Okay, that's what we are.
Confuse कर रहे हो भाई साहब.
The national vehicle of India?
TVS.
No. How can you forget Hero Honda?
Okay.
Always Indian.
So there's no question as national
There's no question as that, yeah.
vehicle as well. What is that one thing in India which you love the most?
Okay. I like everything if people follow common sense.
Okay.
Same thing for me.
Food.
Being an Indian, I love food. South India, North India, East, West.
Any
food
kind
is
of
amazing.
Indian food.
Food is amazing.
Food.
We have a freedom of right.
Yes, you. I love culture. Food and culture.
Traditional part, and moreover, I love the freedom factor, the kind of freedom that I'm getting over here.
Biryani.
Biryani, Hyderabad. So, banta hai. And the second question would be, if you had to change something, some dynamics of India, the bad, negative parts, every country has their good and bad, right? If you had to change something in India, what would that be?
Bro, like you have ladies' night, you don't have gents' night. This is the worst part I hate. Equality should be there. Come on. What do you think?
I don't have a fun answer. Black money and corruption.
वो क्या होगा हाँ पॉलिटिक्स छोड़ो उतना बड़ा मेरा मेन सेलेक्ट नहीं करूँगा फॉर मी आई विल चेंज मेक पीपल फॉलो ट्रैफिक रूल्स
Follow traffic rules.
One thing,
Basic
very,
fun,
very,
basic
very
traffic
important.
rules.
Start paying your taxes on time. That's it.
Start paying your taxes on
That's
time.
it.
Maybe if government changes everything.
Education system.
The politics when youth should come from and take part.
First the person should change, then only the community, after that, India, whatever the country. It's, it's not only up to India, it apps to every country actually.
So friends, as you just saw, people have answered a few questions right and a few questions they couldn't answer, and it's completely okay. We all love our country equally. Rather than judging a person's patriotism or waiting for someone to do something or blaming the government, let us all stand together, share love and respect each other. This Republic Day, instead of complaining and whining about the way things are, let us educate ourselves and let us educate others and let us be the change.
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 So guys, if you enjoyed watching our video, please like the video, share the video and subscribe to our channel Be Desi.